99% of people don't know this. Is your home truly safe at night? Many homeowners think that installing security cameras is enough, but what if I told you that most traditional cameras fail when you need them the most? Standard night vision cameras often capture blurry, low-quality images, making it impossible to identify intruders. Today, the ACTi Z322/Z722 brings next-generation full-color night surveillance to protect your home and family. Your front door, garage, and backyard are the first line of defense for your home. But with standard cameras, everything turns into a black and white blur at night, no way to recognize faces or details. The ACTi Z322/Z722, with its full-color mode, keeps its white LED on all night, delivering crystal-clear images in complete darkness. No more guessing, you can now see every detail, from clothing to facial expressions, even at night. A secure home shouldn't mean spending a fortune on extra equipment. Most home security setups require additional LED lighting for night vision, leading to higher installation and maintenance costs. But ACTi Z322/Z722 has built-in white LED lighting, eliminating the need for extra lights and saving you money on energy bills. Your driveway, backyard, and entryways are now brighter and safer without extra expenses. Ever had a camera record unusual activity but never received a real-time alert? The ACTi Z322/Z722 is smarter than traditional cameras, featuring AI-powered detection of people, vehicles, and sounds. The moment someone approaches your front door or driveway, you get an instant alert, so you always know what's happening outside your home. Most security cameras only record break-ins, they don't prevent them. But ACTi Z322/Z722 is different. When it detects suspicious movement, its white LED instantly turns on, flooding the area with bright light and scaring intruders away. Your home entrance, side doors, and neighborhood alleyways become off-limits for criminals. Your family's safety is priceless. Click the link below to discover how the ACTi Z322/Z722 can revolutionize your home security system. Make the switch today and ensure your home is protected with 24/7 full-color monitoring, no matter how dark it gets. Your loved ones deserve the best protection. Act now.